Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone 14 series users are reporting that they could not complete the data transfer from old iPhone to new one. It says that new iPhone doesn't have enough storage to transfer the data from your other phone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Method 1 is charge your both iPhone. One of iPhone users said that charging both new and old iPhone while data transferring worked for him. Method 2 is restart your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your device by drag the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. Method 3 is restart your Wi-Fi router. Your Wi-Fi connection should be strong while data transferring. Restarting Wi-Fi router may help you to increase the internet speed. Method 4 is make sure that your both devices are up to date. To check the update availability, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. If it shows new version of iOS update, download and install it. Method 5 is do reset network settings on both devices. This process will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, open Settings app, tap on General. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.